Welcome to The Real Amanda Young. So remember to subscribe so you can stay in the loop when I put videos out. So if we haven't met before, I'm Amanda, mom of two, been in perimenopause for 13 years, found ways to navigate through this season with specific tools and diets and just all kinds of different things to help just get my life back. And now I share it with others. So today we're gonna jump in and dive in about castor oil and liver packs and liver detox. A lot of times I get this question asked a lot, like I want to do a liver detox. What does it take? And what do I need? And how long do I do it? So we're going to dive deep into it. So I'm going to share with you what I use, and I will put the links down below if you want to check those out. But one thing I use and I love are these castor oil packs. It looks like this. This is the abdominal one. So what I do is I use one of these packs and I take a tablespoon of castor oil and I apply it in the middle of the pack. I let it sit there for about 30 minutes and let it spread out. And then after I'm done with that, I apply it to my right side of my abdomen like this. And I strap it on there. And then I put a heating pack on it for an hour. And I usually do this before bed because it's just easier and stuff. Castor oil can actually stain and stuff. So I like to use the castor oil packs because it keeps all the staining and everything like in one place. So I apply it and I wear a heating pack for an hour. And then if you're just starting out, I would just do it. I would just do it for an hour with the heating pad for about a week or two and just start gradually. If you've never detoxed your liver, I would go slow because you can have some side effects and symptoms from detoxing, like nausea, not feeling good, just feeling really tired and sluggish. So I always recommend going slow. So like maybe the first 2 weeks, just apply it 4 to 5 times, in the evening and do it for an hour with the heating pad and then up it to 4 to 5 days. Do it an hour with the heating pad and then take the heating pad off and then wear the castor oil pack throughout the night. It's gonna really penetrate and go deep into the liver and help detoxify and clean out the liver, right? The liver can get congested. We wanna get rid of inflammation, get blood flowing, and get everything functioning in the liver again. So this is a great liver detox. It's really inexpensive, really cheap and easy to do. I recommend doing it, maybe for about 40 days and then take a break from it. You're not going to continuous it forever because when you do a liver detox, you're only doing it in small increments. You're not doing it all the time. So usually when it comes to liver detoxes, you're only going to do it once or twice a year. And then that's it. So that's how you do a liver detox. And also, what do you do with these pads? So I reuse these pads every 3 to 4 days. I actually have a glass container. I'll just put this in. And then like on the day 4 or so, I will wash it in the washing machine. It came actually with mesh bags. So I have one already in there. I put the pads in there and then I wash it in my washing machine. I wash it with my towels on delicate with non-toxic detergent, and then I hang them up to dry and let them air dry. So that's how I do the liver detoxes. If you'd like to check out what I use, I'll put the links down below and you can check those out. Also, remember to click the subscribe button so you can stay in the loop. Thanks so much for joining. I hope you got value today, and I will talk with you later. Have an awesome day. Bye.